Hey Pioneers, what's up? Today we're talking about the fresh drop from Pi Network, the 1-year anniversary of the Open Network, and the brand new ecosystem token design they just unveiled. They're actually asking for your input, so listen close. Picture this. Last week, right around February 20th, 2026, marking exactly 1 year since Pi flipped the switch to Open Network, the core team dropped a massive anniversary post. Blog, video, shoutouts to the community, the whole celebration vibe. They recapped what's been built, what's still in motion, and then they hit us with the headline news. A whole new framework for how tokens are supposed to work inside the Pi ecosystem. Now let's be real for a second. A lot of you have been frustrated. I see the comments, I hear the chats. Where's the progress? When's real utility? Why so slow? The team knows that heat is on. And instead of dodging it, they use the anniversary to address one of the biggest messes in all of crypto. Here's the problem they're calling out. Most Web3 projects launch a token, hype it like crazy, raise millions from excited investors, and then crickets. No real app, no real product, no reason for the token to exist except number go up. Pi's saying that setup is broken. It creates hype bubbles that pop, leaves users burned, and kills long-term growth. So what's their fix? They're flipping the script completely. From now on, any new token launched on Pi mainnet has to be built around real utility and actual user growth, not just fundraising. These are community-created tokens, meaning developers or even groups of pioneers can design and launch them, but only if they tie directly into a working product or service that people actually use every day. Think about it like this. Instead of a project saying, buy our token to fund our dream, they say, use our app, get tokens as you go, help us improve it, and the token becomes more valuable because more people are using the real thing. It's utility first, user acquisition first. They spelled out how this works in practice. Projects distribute tokens to attract new users, sign-up bonuses, referral rewards, feature unlocks, loyalty points, whatever makes sense for that app. You as a pioneer get to hold those tokens, use them inside the actual application, give honest feedback, and basically vote with your participation. If the product is garbage, people walk away, the token suffers. Natural accountability. They also want it transparent and fair. No pay-to-win nonsense. Access to tokens should come from merit, actually engaging, contributing, using the thing. And they laid down some hard rules to make it sustainable. First, liquidity comes first. Tokens need smooth trading setup right out the gate so things don't crash and burn on day one. Second, you can't launch a token unless you already have a working product. No more white paper dreams and empty promises. Third, real incentives for people to stay engaged. Not fake farming, but rewards tied to genuine activity. Pi's betting they can pull this off because of you guys, the millions of active pioneers, the growing list of Pi apps, the tools already in place. They think this model fits their community like a glove. Now here's the part that's actually pretty cool. They didn't just announce it and disappear. They published the full proposal as a Pi request for comment, basically an open draft. Founder Chengdiao Fan even walked through it in a video, and they're saying loud and clear, Pioneers, this is still a draft. Tell us what you think. What's missing? What should we change? What worries you? You can jump into GitHub, drop comments, open issues, submit pull requests, fill out their feedback form, whatever works. They want the community to shape this before it goes final. Of course, timing is everything. Some of the feedback rolling in lately hasn't exactly been glowing. People are still waiting on bigger unlocks, better price action, more real-world use cases. So this call for input is landing when a lot of pioneers are skeptical and want proof, not more plans. But bottom line, Pi is trying to build something different here. A place where tokens actually power useful apps, help products grow, reward real participation, and avoid the same old pump and dump traps we've seen everywhere else. If you're in Pi, go hit up minepi.com right now. Check the anniversary blog post, scroll to the ecosystem token design section, watch Chengdiao's breakdown if you haven't already, and then go give your honest take on GitHub or the forum. This could be a real shift, or it could just be words, but they're at least opening the door for you to help decide. What do you think, fam? Game changer? Too little, too late? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. If you're hyped about this direction, smash that like button. If you want more Pi updates like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I appreciate you watching, Pioneers.